mighty Supra Celica. Hey, it's a real Supra. It has a 6-cylinder. Well, it's not in it right now. Customer wants me to determine if it's restorable. I kind of determined it on the trailer that it's not worth it, but we're gonna look at it. And Kev's behind the camera here, Kev dog. We're gonna just take it apart for parts. I don't know, but let's check it out. Let's just go around it. It's got a great color. It's this mauve-y purple. We got the extra safety custom redneck. What do they call that? Hatch latch. Hatch latch. Yeah. Come down the side here. This is your classy side, by the way. We'll get into the other side. This looks nice, right? You're like, wow, this is really nice. And yeah, she's looks pretty good. Looks pretty good, right? Watch out for pull. You got a little rust right here on the hood, and original wheels. She's a little wet. She had some snow on her. It looks better wet. Let's just say that. Bumper's complete. It's a complete car. I mean, it's missing some rubber molding there. It looks like it dried out. We got a little ouchie here. A little whammo. Like I said, there's no engine in it. It's out actually getting, it's at another shop that knows these engines well getting rebuilt. So he's really, really wanting to restore this thing to the nines, I guess. And then this is her trashy side. You know, it's got some issues like that. There's some rot down here in the door. This little floppy, and I think she was hit because this is not original paint, and that blue is not the original color of this car. And as you come down this side, there's more rust here. There's a lot of rust around this door handle. I know it's locked. There's got to be a dent in here. This has been all repaired. This is all. That sounds like Bondo to me. Oh. That's metal. That's not. This is a little floppy. This is all rotted through. There's some weight reduction. And we'll get into that. We'll look at it underneath too. We'll give you a tour of the interior as well. The gas door, can't open that right now because it can't get in the car. So yeah, this isn't so bad. I mean, there's Bondo there, or body filler as we should say. Most likely that's probably Bondo. But looks like we got some spare partage in the back here. Yep, panel of some sort and a relay or something. That doesn't look good. Yeah, well let's check this out. Check out the interior. Come on in here. Let's check this thing out. It's got 205,772 miles on it, which is a lot, but it is a Toyota. And like I said, the engine isn't in it. This is nice. Pick a gear, any gear. It's like stirring your milk, a bowl of porridge. There's no transmission in there. Yeah, we got the equalizer. This is nice. This is real nice. Automatic air conditioning. And then we got some goodies in here. Maybe we can fix some interior parts with the Scotch tape from Christmas from 1988. Here we go. And yeah, the interior is not bad. It needs to be cleaned up, but the customer has a whole nother interior he wants to put in this. I don't know if we're going to be doing that, but we're just kind of assessing the situation. Maybe Kev, it's got cruise control. Ooh, spoilers. Lights. There's no power, obviously, because we could put a battery in it. Just see if it lights up or catches fire. Or yeah, so what do you guys think? Comment below. Should we save it, junk it, scrap it, part it out, put a LS in it? Isn't that what you're supposed to do? LS swap it. Yeah. I don't know, something. We'll show you underneath and maybe you can make a better decision there, but comment below, let us know. Do it right now, right now. All right, so Kevin's been working hard on the 85 Supra Dupra. And Kev, what do you think of this car? No, I just wanted to get the look on your face.
Oh, I mean, there's some good parts to part it out on, you know? I mean, like...
Door handle?
Door handle. I mean, we got mirrors, we got headlights, we got tail lights. We got the spoilers, a good part.
Yeah.
You get $20 for that.
We got this pile over here. We've got it pretty good. Just got the spoiler off, and it's pretty bad. And good old New England car. We just took the spoiler off and found this. The customer that has this really wants to restore this car. Guys, comment below. Let me know what you think. Should he restore it? It's gonna take a lot of money, a lot of time. I mean, look at this. Over here, this is the Bondo buggy. Yeah, I mean, hello. Oh, there's foam in there. Yeah, this is all. Yep. There. Yo, good one.
Listen to the difference. You got.
Oh yeah, the Bondo, metal, Bondo, metal, Bondo, metal, Bondo, metal. Okay, Bondo, metal-ish. So she's pretty bad. We'll give you a tour. That was under that wheel well. I kind of knew that was there. You got some damage here. I think this car got hit on this side, sideswiped, or someone probably got a little squirrely with her, a little aggressive with the pedal. We got to get this bumper cover off. The engine's out of it. We didn't do that. Another shop did that. Just gutted that out of there. They were supposed to clean up the engine bay. They probably realized how bad this car was and they didn't want anything to do with it. I really want it out of my shop. It's not my cup of tea. You probably could make tea with all the rust that's in this, like iron tea. Oh, so that's where we're at with this right now. It's not that bad underneath. Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video. Please comment below. Let me know what you think we should do with this car. Should we save it, scrap it, junk it? I know Kev doesn't like this car, does he? No, he does not. But anyways, thanks for tuning in, guys. Until next time, take care.